This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the medication and dosage so you deliver the correct dose. This prevents wasted treatments. Once confirmed, plug the compressor into a grounded outlet and set it on a stable surface within reach. Connect one end of the tubing to the compressor and the other to the nebulizer cup, snapping parts until they click. Make sure the mask or mouthpiece is clean and ready. Now open the nebulizer cup and prepare to add the prescribed solution with steady hands. You pour the measured medication into the nebulizer cup, using a syringe or ampule to hit the exact volume. Precision ensures proper delivery. Once the cup is closed and secure, reattach the tubing and position the mask over your nose and mouth, or use the mouthpiece between your lips. Turn the compressor on and breathe in slowly and deeply through your mouth. Continue quiet tidal breaths and occasional deep inhalations for about 8 to 10 minutes, until the mist thins and medication is used up. After treatment, you switch the compressor off and detach the tubing, then empty any leftover solution according to instructions to avoid contamination. Rinse the nebulizer cup, mask, or mouthpiece with warm soapy water, shake off excess, and let parts air dry on a clean towel. This prevents bacterial growth. If you see little or no mist during treatment, first check that the unit is plugged in and running, then inspect tubing for kinks, ensure the cup is sealed, and replace the air filter if it's clogged.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.